NMR. Welcome to Farmyard, the home of short clip revision material and tutorials. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. NMR stands for Nuclear Magnetic Resonance Spectroscopy. There are two types, proton NMR and carbon-13 NMR, each producing different chemical shift patterns. Deuterochloromethane is the solvent in NMR and the standard is TMS, standing for tetramethylsilane. It is used because it has 12 equivalent hydrogens. It is inert, absorbs 1 RF frequency and has a chemical shift at 0 upfield away from other substances. There is a 5-step strategy to solve proton NMR spectrum. The first is to always look at the information provided, mass spec data, infrared or chemical reactions in previous questions. Then look at the chemical shift, which is usually always aliphatic. Look at the integration values, which tell you how many protons you have, and look at the spin-spin coupling patterns to see what groups are next to each other. Finally, bring all this information together to make molecular puzzle pieces and solve the problem. Now you know the basics. Please see our tutorial video, where we will solve an NMR exam question. Thanks for watching and see you again for more farmyard education.